Hi, I'm Yuna, a purple jaguar who loves to read. I have a superpower that can teleport us into any story we want, thanks to a magical portal I created with my tail. Ready to start the next book? Roar! Let's go! One night, a farmer's wife wanted radishes. The farmer sneaked into the neighbor's garden. But oh no, the neighbor was a witch. She pointed at him. "Give me your baby, or be cursed." Well, they gave the baby. The baby was named Rapunzel. She loved playing in the garden, laughing with birds and picking flowers. But one day, the witch took her away. She locked Rapunzel in a tall tower with no door, only a small window. The only way up, her long golden hair. One day, a young man passed by and heard Rapunzel singing. Her voice sounded so lonely. He knew she needed help but didn't know how. That night, as he sat thinking, I found him. "Hi, I'm Yuna. What are you doing here?" I asked, wagging my tail. He told me about Rapunzel. I gasped. "A girl trapped in a tower? We have to help her." He looked unsure. "But how?" I grinned. "Easy. I love adventures. Let's make a plan together." The next morning, we called Rapunzel. "Let down your hair!" Her golden braid dropped, and I climbed up first. "Wow, your hair is so strong," I said. But then, stomp, stomp! Rapunzel gasped. "The witch is coming back!" I zoomed down fast. The next day, we climbed up again. But oh no, the witch was waiting. Snip! She cut off Rapunzel's hair. "You'll never take her," she shouted. I gasped. Rapunzel was gone. Oh, wait. I hear her voice from somewhere. Let's go! All right, explorer. Time for a question. What color is the young man's t-shirt? Woo! You got it. The t-shirt is green, like a big walking leaf. I ran toward the sound. But, uh-oh, the witch grabbed the young man. He couldn't follow me. I kept running and found Rapunzel locked in a small house. "Let's get you out," I said. She looked worried. "Where's the young man?" I promised. "We'll find him." The next morning, Rapunzel sang as loud as she could to find the young man. Suddenly, a voice answered. It was him. But oh no, he couldn't see. The witch had hurt his eyes. "Sing again," I said. Rapunzel's song filled the air. Then, poof! Magic sparkled around him. He blinked. His sight returned. We all laughed and hugged. "We did it!" I cheered. And that's how I met Rapunzel. Wow! What an adventure! This was my story that I created using my platform. Ask a grown-up to help you find the Yuna app. You can create your own adventures where you are the hero with me.